Hero Show. As you see that noise, it is a toy car. Yeah. This is my brother, 3 years old. We might as well just go say hi to him, but we're having a party outside, so you know, no. And also, it's rude. And you guys, that is my Xbox over there. I just made a video on it. If you're, yeah, never mind. So you guys, this is the toy room. Next video, we might give a tour in my house. If this video hits 100 likes, I will make a tour in my house, okay? I might even prank the cameraman one day if we get to 100.
You're not pranking me, never.
Are you sure about that?
I am sure.
Make sure to watch your back on me for instance. Yeah! Wait a second. Golf, but with an RC car.
So what is your review on this RC car?
It's okay. It's really fast, too. Probably one of the best.
Where did you buy it?
Costco.
At Costco. So this is a Costco remote control car.
Yes.
Here, you want to show it? Pick them up and show it to them?
Okay. So you guys, it only has 3 wheels, not 4. But you don't judge a car. Because I don't know why.
Does it take batteries or does it charge?
Batteries.
So it takes batteries. And show them the remote control. Show them how it looks.
It looks pretty blank, honestly.
And how fast would you say it goes? It goes pretty, out of 10.
Yeah, out of 10.
10 out of 10 on the speed?
Yes.
What about the drifting? You like the drifting?
It's okay.
It's okay? What would you rather be doing? Playing Xbox or with the car?
Xbox. I'd rather keep playing Fortnite all day. And again, if you guys want to play Fortnite with me, name's the best. I'll be playing by Christmas Day. I'm gonna open this thing up on Christmas Day. Gonna make a video of it. At least I'll try. I can't say I will. So yeah. Peace. And give a subscribe to the show. Peace.